Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Monopoly Go account. It's pretty simple. Open up your Monopoly Go app and then you want to click on the three line at the top right corner of your screen. From over here, you want to click on where it says connect at the bottom. But if you don't see the connect button at the bottom, click on where it says setting. Now inside of settings, you can see the option called connect account. Click on it. Now from over here, you can log in into your Monopoly Go account. If you created it using Facebook, click on Facebook. If you created your account using Apple ID, click on Apple. I created my Monopoly Go account using Facebook, so I will click on Facebook and then I will click on confirm. Once I do that, I need to click on continue. Then it'll take me to Facebook's official website where I need to enter my login detail. After I enter the login detail of my Facebook, I need to click on continue at the bottom. Once I do that, my account will be linked. Once my account is linked, basically done, I will be able to log in into my Monopoly Go account. It's that simple. So I hope you understand how you guys can log in into Monopoly Go. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.